There were a lot of people requesting that you would want to see the light setup on our vehicles, so this is my dad's Ford Explorer with a 5 rotator Streethawk light bar, takedowns, alleys, and flashers. I'll just take you around the vehicle here so you can see everything. And I will take another video at nighttime, give you kind of a clue of how bright it is. Next video, or in the same video I guess I should say, I'll show you the takedowns and alleys. I will be right back. This is with just the takedowns, and as you'll see here in a second, alley lights. On the same light bar that I showed you just a second ago with the amber on. That's that alley light, and continue walking around here, show you the other alley light. And there's that one. Next video, I will show the amber lights and takedown lights on at the same time. Right, this is with takedown and ambers on with the flashers. It's basically the same deal, but with the takedowns added. And we'll just cut it off right here. Next video will be with some of our other chase vehicles we take sometimes.